Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing this makeup look and it's meant to be for Valentine's Day, and obviously today is Valentine's Day. But you don't need to wear this only on Valentine's Day, you can wear this at any time of the year really. It's like a basic glam. You can even wear this to feel better about yourself with like lockdown going on and things. And we are the Beautybay New Romantic Palette. So I really love this palette. It's so gorgeous. Like you can see the shades in this palette is stunning. Like I am obsessed. So I have a link for this down below if you want to check it out. It's such a stunning palette, and as you can see it's really nice on the eyes as well. And I have no complaints about that palette. It's actually beautiful. I'm amazed. So yeah, if you want to keep watching and see how we got this makeup, then please keep watching. Okay, so I've just primed my eyes and we're going to be using the New Romantic Palette, and I'm going to be doing like a sort of Valentine's Day soft makeup. And I know it's pretty like late in the game to be doing Valentine's makeup because this is actually going to be uploaded on the Sunday. But I just thought like a last minute Valentine's sort of, even this is perfect for like a little date night. Even when we're out of lockdown, like you can always come back to this sort of tutorial and have a nice pink like sort of soft glam, I would say. So we're going to be using some blending brushes and the New Romantic palette of course, and look at these shades, like unreal, amazing. I've already used these shades in this palette in a few looks already, so I've already got some looks up on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on there, follow me just now, and my link will be down below and my username will be right here. So I do post more frequently on Instagram, and I've got some with these looks and with this palette. Also TikTok, I upload a lot more on there as well. So I'm going to be taking a Morphe brush, and it's a fluffy brush. It's from the Trash Me collection that they had with Morphe and Trash Me. And I'm also going to take this shade here, which is Smoothie, and I'm also going to take Milkshake, which is this brighter pink here. So don't be alarmed by the like brightness of the colours, you just need to start applying like soft. That's why we've got like a big blending brush, because we're just going to be applying it softly to the outer corner. And this is going to be like winged out. We are going to continuously just dip into those two colours. I love how they are so unique. Like I've never really seen these colours in a palette. Smoothie is like a sort of muted raspberry, I would say. And then Milkshake's like more of a bright pink, but it's not like bright neon pink. I don't know how to explain it. It's a really nice pink though. So now we are going to start blending out with another Morphe brush, and this is in the Madison Beer collection, and it's just a big fluffy brush. And I'm going to be taking Birthday, which is this colour here. I am holding the palette upside down so you can see and the mirror's not in the way. So we're going to be taking Birthday, this pale pink here, and I'm just going to be blending this with that brush, and it's just so we get all the blend and it's really soft. Love that. So I was gonna do like a tutorial on the love heart sort of trend. There's like a love heart cut crease where people have been doing, and it was inspired by Adele's makeup and Makeup Lois. I can't remember how to pronounce her name, but on Instagram it's been a trend right now, and I was gonna do it, but I don't know, I just feel like it's more of an Instagram look. So let me know if you do want the creative looks back. I will do it for you. So I'm going to go back to Milkshake and Smoothie just with that brush again, and I'm just going to deepen it up again because we blended some of the colour away. And I'm just keeping this mainly on the outer corner in the middle of the eye, like we're not going to take it inwards at all. And I'm just kind of winging this out as well. And now I'm going to be blending it out again with the shade Birthday. I just really love this pink because it's kind of like, it reminds me of the shade Plot Twist in the Beauty Bay Nikki Tutorials palette, and it's a really baby blue, so this kind of reminds me of that even though it's pink. And it's a perfect shade to blend out with because it doesn't have too much like dark colour in it. It's quite a light colour, so it's nice to blend out with. Yeah, so I'm just taking a dome small like blending brush almost, and I'm going to go and dip into Oyster and Chintz here, and they are kind of different undertones, but I'm just going to dab the shimmer onto the inner part of the corner, and we are going to go in with a pigment as well. So obviously I'm doing the shimmer part just so you can see you don't need a pigment. If you don't have pigments, you can just do a shimmer. So I'm mainly going to dip into Chintz because it's a pink, it's more of a pink shimmer. Just like that. It's just a soft look, and I don't really do these kind of looks because I feel like they're not, I always have to be dramatic, and I always feel like it doesn't make an impression if it's not dramatic, but that's not always the case. So a lot of people do like the soft looks, so that is why I'm doing it. So we are going to be using the Peaches and Cream pigment in the shade Fantasy, and the Glitter Glue by Peaches and Cream as well. I love this combo, and I love how this pigment looks because it's got really nice pink kind of undertones in it, or reflex if you want to call it. That's what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got really nice pink flexes. I'm just going to use my trusted Jessup Beauty MUL 17 brush to pat that on. Do you always, like, do any of you have a trusted sort of brush that you always go to for things like glitters and cut creases? Like, do you have that one brush? Because this is mine. Definitely always use this brush. I always use like Jessup Beauty brushes. They're amazing and they're so affordable. I don't have any affiliates with them, any affiliate links or anything, but you can definitely check them out. Let me know if you would like a link below and I'll link them. So now we're going to apply the pigment. I'm shook. Oh my god, look at that reflex. So it's got some blue reflex in it, which I do like because it complements like the pink that we have. But look, you can see the pink. Oh my god. I'm actually going to go in with a blending brush as well. So I'm just going to use a fluffier brush, and I'm going to use one of the Beautybay brushes. It's the BB205, and you can get this in a brush set on Beautybay. So I'm just going to go in with a fluffier brush. I feel like it disperses the product so much better, and you don't need to worry about like, does it look choppy, because it's a blending brush. So it's really nice at dispersing the product. And then I'm going to go back in and take the brush that we were blending with the shade Birthday, I think it was, and just blend over that pigment as well, because we don't want the pigment to just take over the whole eye. So also a lot of my friends on Instagram have started their own like master classes on Instagram, and you kind of like pay for a ticket if you want to have more lessons on certain looks and techniques and stuff. I don't know if that would be something that you would like, but if so, then please comment down below and I will think about doing it. I'm not too sure, but if you do think it's something that you would want, then please definitely comment and I will think about that. So I'm going to do my other eye and apply lashes and everything, and I'll come back and do the finishing touches with you. But this is pretty much it for the eyes, because I feel like it's pretty much a simple eye, and you can do this for like any date night. So I think people are quite scared to wear pinks and stuff like that, but I feel like It's very pretty and romantic, so definitely like experiment with stuff, even like with pinks like this. And it's such a soft pink that I feel like it is wearable, and I would wear this out on a date. So for lashes, I am going to use Pound Lashes First Date lashes, and I feel like they are quite girly and they have texture to them. Some of the lashes are quite long and some are quite short, so they have different sort of texture and they are quite pretty. So I'll do the rest of my face and I will come back. Okay, so I'm back and I did my face makeup on TikTok Live, so if you don't follow me on TikTok, then remember to go and follow me on there. My link is down below. So I did my base makeup and I'm gonna just do the finishing touches and stuff on here. So I'm just gonna take the blending brush that we used for the deeper colours, Milkshake and Smoothie. So, oh, I just dipped it in the shimmer. This one, and we're just gonna run that out on the outer corner. I also blended my highlight and my blush into the eyeshadow at the end because I want it to like flow smoothly and kind of like blend in with the eyeshadow. Then I'm going to use my blending brush that I used with the lighter colour and dip into Birthday and just blend this out. Just so it's all nice and blended really nicely. I love how light this colour is. I just feel like it's such a nice colour that I've mentioned before that you can just blend and like it'll make the eyeshadow really nicely blended. Definitely an amazing palette. Now I'm going to add mascara to my lower lashes. So I'm actually going to put some paint, like acid rain paint, in my waterline. I'm going to use the shade Raver. So you definitely don't have to do this. I just like to add this like sort of extra. I've added like liners and stuff, and now I am gonna do my lips, and I'm gonna use Lime Crime's Plushies lipstick in the shade Turkish Delight. So this is what it looks like, and you can get this on Look Fantastic, I'm pretty sure, and I will leave my code on the screen and my link will be down below for 20% off if you want to use it. It's honestly such a pretty pink. Like, can you see how pretty that is? This formula isn't like a liquid lipstick, it's more like a NYX soft matte lip cream kind of formula. It's really nice. And then I'm going to use the Lime Crime Wet Cherry Gloss, and this is in the shade Extra Poppin'. I love it. You can get 20% off on Look Fantastic with this as well. Like, I am obsessed with this lip. So I'm going to go in with Beautybay's Mattifying Setting Mist, and although this says mattifying, it's not really a mattifying setting mist. Like, it will mattify, but it kind of keeps your pores like non-existent basically, and I really love it. So this setting mist is more to keep your makeup from melting, fading and settling into fine lines for all day wear. The light mist mattifies the skin to reduce shine, leaving a finish that no filter can rival. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and this kind of look. It is simpler than my usual creative looks. So if you want more of these, then obviously comment down below and let me know. So this is it, guys. This is the finished look, and I hope you enjoyed this for Valentine's Day. This will be up on Valentine's Day, so whatever you're doing on Valentine's Day, if you find this tutorial, then please let me know if you've recreated it or anything. And if not, then you can definitely use this any other time of the year. Like, you don't need to just use it for Valentine's Day, because it's definitely just a subtle glam pink look anyway. So, and I would wear this at any time of the year. So yeah, I'm planning on filming a winter favourites sort of video, so if you're interested in that, then please subscribe, and you know, subscribe to my channel. Welcome to the family. I upload every Sunday, so if you're not subscribed, then yeah, I upload every single Sunday. And plus stay tuned for favourites that I do. Please subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.